Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see, by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we gonna be right back. So welcome back. In today's video, I am collaborating again with the none other Luvme hair. They sent me this beautiful bob, and I am not gonna lie, you guys, when I first got this wig and I put it on and just to see how it looked, I was petrified. I was like, how am I going to get on my channel and tell them I don't like this wig? And I came on here today prepared, to be honest, and tell you guys that I didn't like it, and I absolutely love it. Now, I will say with certain hairstyles, because I'm used to a certain look for myself, I think that some wigs look better with makeup on. And that's just how I feel. I feel like this is one of those wigs that I should be wearing makeup whenever I have this wig on. But it is really cute. It's giving me almost like spring vibes, ready for the summer, a nice bob so it's not too hot. I am liking the highlights. It's so pretty. And this is their Put On and Go Reddish Purple Ash Blonde Highlight, Brown Highlight, Natural Black Layered Cut, Yaki Straight Minimalist Laced Bob Wig. So all those colors that I named in the beginning, those are all the colors that this unit comes in. It comes in a natural black, a reddish purple, which is like a pretty burgundy color, a brown highlight, which has more brown, like more natural black with highlights, and then it also has the ash blonde highlight, which is what I have in now. And I got this unit in 12 inches, and I think it's perfect. I did have to go in and bump the ends, as you guys saw earlier, because again, you know, fresh out the package, you got to do a little bit of something, just a little bit. And I wanted to frame it to my face, but this unit is absolutely stunning. I am loving it. I feel so confident. Like I have a friend date tomorrow, and I'm trying to decide if I want to wear my wig. And it's just funny to me because I'm a natural hair girly, like natural. I like to wear natural textured wigs. I like to wear the natural color wigs. I don't really play in color a lot, but when I do, I'm like, is that something that you're supposed to wear on a special occasion? Is that something that I should, like, now that I have this wig, should I be wearing it every day? I don't know. I always like go back and forth with myself because I'm like, I want to look like me, but I am loving this wig. This is Keisha, y'all. I'm loving Keisha. This unit is also affordable, and this unit is just under $150. It's $136. If I have a coupon code, I will let you guys know in the description box below. But yes, I am loving this wig. So it's 150% density, it's 100% glueless, it's a medium cap size, 100% human hair. Regular lace. It can be dyed, but bleaching is not recommended, and it can last for 2 or more years with proper care. This unit has some amazing reviews as I'm looking through their page, and yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Y'all know I love me some plop and goes on my channel, okay? This is like perfect. Now I'm intrigued to see how the natural one would look, but I like it, and I love the texture. I love the Yaki texture because I feel like I want to wear wigs that cater more towards my hair texture. Yaki and kinky straight are my go-tos for me, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And y'all, it's free to support. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.